Hello, everyone. Good morning. It's coffee time. Join me in my coffee. So good, really so good. And I feel better for today. After yesterday's swimming, maybe about 25 minutes or 30 minutes, I feel fine. Very fine. The result is amazing, convincing. That's what I have. I'm feeling right now. I hope you join me in my next swimming practice. It's only floating because I could not move my legs and knee because of, most especially my hips because of so much pain. I am in pain. Even I take some medication for pain, it only affects me about 40%. So the best thing I notice is that whenever I stretch it, that's a time that I found complete relief. That's why I'm watching more especially Dr. Billy Ong in the Philippines and other health health practitioner here in America, so I could have a relief because I know arthritis has no cure but only relief. But you will not stay in bed for the whole or the rest of your life if you exercise. That's the exercise is one good medication, and you have to see your doctor from time to time for whatever change of medication or frequency of taking it, and also your diet. You should follow your diet. The number one is to lose weight. Number two is diet. Diet includes vegetable, eating a lot of vegetables, fruits, and water. Water. This one is water. Nothing all. That's it. Yeah. So I hope you join me in this cause for us to be in good uh, physically fit. So I just do hope I could still work. Now, early in the morning, I have not taken my breakfast. I have my breakfast there, but I did the following. I did the following. Uh, I have this one. Uh, you call this. You see the red one? That's blood glucose up. So whenever you press it, you will see your the blood pressure. After that good swimming, I have this figure. My blood pressure is 129 over 75. My pulse ox is 78. That's good. My pulse my no no not pulse rate is 78. Pulse rate and auto ox is 96%. Yeah. So that's what I have. For my weight, I gained 1 pound from yesterday because I ate too much. And you know what? I'm guilty because I ate last night. Yesterday afternoon, I ate bagoong in the Philippines. We call it shrimp paste. It's so delicious. Uh, I got okra and put some paste on it. Oh my God, it's so good. But I ate only a small portion of rice, one scoop of rice. Always one scoop of rice. You know how much is one scoop of rice? It's just about two of this, because rice is carbohydrates. So instead of rice, I ate a lot of vegetable. To because if you eat a lot of vegetable, it doesn't matter. It won't affect you. the more that you are going to be stronger when you eat vegetable daily. You have so many recipe. Watch YouTube for many vegetable recipe. You could choose among them. There's so many of them cooking vegetable or the recipe that is also good for us. And the other one is my blood sugar. Ah, I'm a diabetic, but this is my history of my blood sugar level. Yeah, the latest one is on the top. On the top, my blood sugar for today is 123 or 123 milligram per uh, deciliter. I don't know the measurement unit, but it is 123. The other one, when I don't swim, I is 136, and the 2 days before 164. Oh, that's too high. That's too high. Now after swimming, 123. But you see me swimming, I got a life vest because I could not move my legs. So because of my disability, the tendency to gain weight is so much. So I have to do something. I have to protect myself because no one will care will take care of me. It's good that I have my children are all RN nurses here in the hospital, and they make me around the clock monitoring my medication. These are my medication. It's need to be filled up now by my daughter. Thanks to Marian and Paul, what are RN nurses? RN nurses. So they're very strict. They're very strict with my medication. So, and also visit your doctor on time. Get fix your insurance for this purpose. It's either private insurance or Medicare. So thanks to the government for Medicare, and thanks for my private insurance too. I I'm I asking my daughter to fix my insurance, and she was able to fix it, and that's good. Huh? I have insurance good for me. Okay, so and also thank I would like to thank my doctor too. My doctor there in Wisconsin, my doctor there in Chicago, my doctor here in Texas. I love them all because they gave me a new life. Above, aside from God, God helped me when I was sick many times and I was hospitalized for three consecutive years. And I thank all my doctors, nurses, and other medical workers who helped me a lot. And I'm still now up and above. And don't forget to exercise daily because uh, water, exercise will help you a lot to be in good physical condition. Even if your age, if you are retired, ask your dad, ask your mom to keep on moving. Don't just stay in bed doing nothing. You can do some gardening, planting, fishing, but with somebody who will accompany them because you don't know what will happen. They must be well protected. In nursing home, they play bingo most of the time. They go around, but not right at this time. It's not good. They stay in the nursing home and play, and there are so many activities being set aside or being prepared by the people in social services in uh, in activity group. So I would like to say hi to all my colleagues in nursing home in Chicago, in Westwood Nursing Home, in Ridgeview Nursing Home, all of them in Chicago. And To those hospital I worked before, hi to all of you. You are heroes of today because you take care of us sick people. Okay? Thank you very much for listening and watching me. And I hope you to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this blog. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday. Happy weekend. See you tomorrow for my next blog. I'm going to have some fun.
Seeing eyes of mine.
Thank you so much.
What if